Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Courtney Ryan. And before I jump into the video, make sure if you haven't already, you hit that subscribe button, you like this video. It helps me out, which in return will help all of you out. So go ahead and do that. I do appreciate it. So in this video, I'm gonna be talking about 8 things guys do that women love. Of course, every woman has their type. Every woman has things that they're into. This is going to vary from woman to woman, but as a whole, pretty universally, these are 8 things that men do that women find so attractive, women love, women appreciate when you do these. These are just kind of a foolproof way to get a woman to be like, oh my gosh, I think I love this man. So number 1 on my list, I have being punctual. Are you someone that hits the snooze button 10 times and is running late to everything? If so, this is kind of a turnoff. It's attractive when you show up early to something or you're right on time. This makes it apparent that you prioritize things that are important to you and you're good at managing your time, which is just a very attractive trait. Also, if the girl in your life is anything like me, I am very type A. I'm early to everything, almost too early. So when I'm with someone that's making me run late, it causes so much chaos in my brain. So just being early and being on time and being able to show that you're able to manage your time well is so attractive. Number 2, this one, everyone tells you to do. It's gonna be a little cliche, but I think it's important and I need to say it. So being confident. This is arguably the most important thing on this list because if you're confident, she will see past absolutely everything else about you. If you had 2 guys that were exactly the same, but one was confident and one was not, the girl would choose the confident guy. Confidence is made up. It's all in your brain. So this is one of those things where if you feel like you're not confident at all, you kind of just have to fake it till you make it. Girls want a guy that feels secure in his own skin, knows who he is and what he wants, and knows what he brings to the table or the relationship. Also, a girl just feels more secure when she's with a guy that's more confident. And there's a very big difference here between being confident and being cocky. You don't want to seem like a know-it-all or like you're showing off all the time or be cocky at all, but being confident is so incredibly important. This is kind of where being charming comes into play too. So girls like a guy that's charming. Being charismatic and being confident is just really attractive. And women simply just love a confident guy. Number 3, are you dependable? Can she rely on you? One of the biggest things I think women want to feel is feeling safe and feeling secure, or whether it's with money, really just anything in your relationship or in life, a woman wants to feel safe and secure and doesn't want to be in a situation where she feels like she's not safe or secure. And like I said, this is kind of where money comes into play a little bit. I know there are a ton of gold diggers out there and you definitely want to steer clear of those. And another part of being dependable is sticking to your word. If you make a promise to her that you're going to do something, you better do it. And if you feel like you can't deliver on the promise that you made, don't make the promise in the first place. You want to be reliable, you want to be dependable. These are 2 very important qualities and they really do go hand in hand, but being dependable is so incredibly important. Number 4, being a good listener. Every woman wants to feel like she's being listened to, like she's being heard, like what she is saying has some level of importance to you. And in a world full of so many distractions, everyone looking down at their phone, there's tons to do, there's just so many distractions in the world now, being a good listener will set you apart. And extra brownie points here if you remember something and then later down the road surprise her with it. So say you're walking through the store and she points out something that she likes just really quickly and you make that mental note in your head and then a month later you end up getting that as a gift for her. She's gonna be like, wow, he remembered that I said this, and it's gonna make her feel really special. And not a lot of guys do this, but it's one of the easiest, cheapest things you can do to impress a girl. Number 5, we have cooking and cleaning. And I know this is typically more traditionally something that women do. I personally have more traditional views. I love to cook, I love to clean, I don't mind doing it, but it's a fun thing that you can do with your partner that makes it a lot more enjoyable. And not even together, it's nice when for once the guy does this for you. This doesn't have to be an all the time thing, and it almost makes it more special if it's not, but watching a guy cook for you, I can't even explain what it does to your mind and your body as a woman when you're watching a guy that you like cook a meal for you. You could be making the most basic meal in the world. For instance, breakfast, you could be making an egg and some potatoes that you just threw in a skillet, and I will treat you like a 5-star Michelin chef. I don't know what it is. It's just so sexy. I love when a guy cooks for me. Nobody wants to be with someone helpless or needy, and even if the girl in your life is doing this for you most of the time, it's nice to just show that you can do it if you have to. This just shows that you can take care of yourself, which is a very attractive quality, especially as a woman looking at a man. You want someone that is self-sufficient and could take care of himself if he needed to. Number 6, being healthy and being in good shape. And when I say this, I don't mean you need to have a 6-pack. I don't mean you need to have chiseled abs like a Greek god. I'm just talking about taking care of yourself, actively working on yourself, and just being the best version of you. And like I mentioned, you don't have to have chiseled abs or look like Zac Efron to get a girl. In fact, a lot of times this is a turnoff for girls if you're super into like bodybuilding or just fitness in general. A lot of girls are turned off by this, which is typically a sign that she's a little bit insecure, which maybe isn't the best thing, but you don't have to be a perfect 10 and have the best body in the world to attract a girl. It's more about just making steps toward an active lifestyle, taking care of yourself, eating good food, and just really being the best version of you that you can possibly be. Nobody wants to be with a couch potato that does nothing but sit around and eat potato chips on the couch. And something that stands out with having a healthy and active lifestyle is the motivation that it takes to do that is attractive. Number 7, we have being honest. So in a world of so many liars, be the honest guy. This shows that you respect her, you care about her, regardless of what it is. It could even be about the way that you feel about her. Being vulnerable and honest about these things is so attractive. Girls like when guys show a more emotional side and a more vulnerable side. I promise this will get you so much farther than you think. And with lying, do not ever lie to a girl. Say she asks you if she looks fat in something. You never, ever, ever say, yes, you look fat in that. You say, it's not my favorite thing you've ever worn. Do you want me to help you try to find something else? Or something like that. You're not lying. You're technically being honest because you said you don't like it, but you're still being nice and saying it in a nice way. And just with any other kind of lying, if your ex-girlfriend texts you and you lie to her about it, she's gonna find out. So you might as well just be upfront and honest in the beginning. It's gonna make her respect you and trust you and just do everything good for your relationship. So no matter what you do, always be honest. Like I said, in a world of so many liars, be the honest guy. And number 8, being passionate. Regardless of what this might be, it could be your work, it could be a hobby, it could be literally anything. Just having some sort of interest that you're passionate about shows your ability to make yourself happy and your ability to prioritize your time to do things that make you feel happy. There is just something about a man that knows exactly what he likes and exactly what he wants that makes a girl go crazy. Passion is just one of those things that is kind of sexy no matter what it is. You could have what you think is the lamest hobby in the world, and I promise you, having that lame hobby versus having no hobby at all will impress the girl. So guys, that concludes my list of 8 things men do that women love. I hope you all found this helpful. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for when I release new content. Also, be sure to follow me on Instagram at Courtney Christine Ryan. I love connecting with all of you guys on there as well. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all next time.